Hey, what's up guys? It's Mo again, and as promised, I went ahead and modded my Parrot disco, and today, for the first time ever, I'm going to do a range test with the stock battery. I didn't even upgrade the battery yet, but I will, and see how long it flies and how far it flies after this mod. To be honest, it was the easiest mod I've ever done on anything. Everything was pretty easy and straightforward. It's long, I mean, it's took some time, but it was really easy and everything just worked flawlessly. The only thing I don't have is glimpse. I'm not sure why it's not working. Maybe I need to do that push notification thing. But regardless of that, I hope the plane doesn't crash today somewhere far, and I don't even know which direction yet I'm gonna go, whether it's north or south, but I'm guessing maybe south, and I'm gonna try and stay low around maybe between 50 and 70 feet high, just to stay within range of all the towers. Now, also one more thing is that Huawei says on all of their devices, it says that Huawei doesn't work with Verizon. That is not true. I've actually connected it to a Verizon network, and all you need to do is just go to the Verizon store, and once you get your extra card, your internet card, just have them register that card to a generic, I don't know what, IMU or whatever that number needs to be. So let them do a generic number on that, and then just plug it in your Huawei device, and it'll work right away. You just need to set the access point to like whatever Verizon has, and I think it's VT something internet. So you set that up, and it should match and make sure it matches your phone, and from there you should be golden. I mean, it works right away. Let me see if I can show you guys what I did. I'm not gonna pull the cover all the way because I didn't really do I still need to stick it, but there it is. I don't know if you guys can see, that's the Huawei device I've used. So what I'm gonna do right here is, as you can see, it's a stock battery. Everything's stock. I haven't upgraded anything yet. That will be in coming videos, but for now I just want to see how it flies, and if it flies. So I'm gonna put this thing together and send it on its way. Alrighty guys, so here I am I'm not sure. Alright, so the plane is on. I've turned this on again already. That now it's connected to Wi-Fi. You just tap this settings 3 times and the color should change to magenta, and then to blue once it connects to 4G, and then we'll wait for the connection to get established. And we have connection, thank God. We're disconnecting again, but that usually happens every time. It just disconnects briefly once, and then it reconnects, and once I get video, that means we're all good. Now I got video, and this video is 4G. This is not Wi-Fi connection. So what I'm gonna do now is just fly the the drone out. Wow, I almost crashed it there. Holy crap. Alright, so as you can see, it's up there. It's gonna loiter for a little bit, and then, but I'm not gonna loiter for much. I'm gonna go in my cool car and start our journey. Let's see how far this baby can go. I just need to figure out where I am right now. I think I know. And right now I'm taking a left. And from here on, I'm just gonna go up a little bit. It's at 49 meters. I'm gonna go up to 60 meters and just stay there. And I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna fly closer to the freeway just because I know there is a connection there. As you can see, I'm losing a little bit of signal. So that is the freeway. Now what I'm gonna do is just stick to this lane at this height, and just go. Right now I'm going at 13 or 14 miles per second. I'm not sure how much that is, how fast, so let's calculate. And I'm gonna keep an eye on this while I'm doing it. It's good that it's keeping its elevation. We're at 86 meters right now, 86 meters high, so I'm happy there. I think I'm clearing everything. Length, science, where is speed? Speed, feet per second, meters per second, and we are at 15 meters per second. And that equates to no, come on. So what is my battery? Oh, it's 93%. So miles per hour, where is it really? It says that, so 15 meters per second is apparently 33 miles per hour, which is not bad, to tell you the truth. And this is supposed to be like the most efficient speed that the plane can fly at. Tell you guys, I'm actually really nervous about this because I've never flown a drone this far ever, and so I wish I had my FPV. It would have looked nicer because it's not really showing me much on here. But this is good enough. As you can see now, I'm flying. See, the wind is moving me a little bit to the left. 91%. Golly, we still got a long way to go, guys. I don't know if I want to fly that far. 91%. I'm probably gonna bring it back at 50% for this time, And then if I know how to bring it back, I honestly have no freaking clue how to bring this thing back. So I'm just gonna turn it around when it's at 50, and then there's a little bit of a delay, but it's not bad. I love how it's holding its altitude at 89 meters, and now it's saying we are close to 4,000 meters far. So let's see, 4,000 meters. Meters. We're losing a little bit of signal there. 4,000. We're at 2.5 miles as of right now, guys. Oh my god. Honestly, I have no clue what I'm flying over right now. I'm gonna climb up a little bit. So this way I'm heading towards, for those of you that are from Georgia, this highway takes you all the way to Savannah. So this is crazy, guys. Alright guys, so apparently my battery died on my GoPro while I was filming, but I went back at 7,500 meters, which equated to about 4.5 miles. I turned around just because after pushing the throttle all the way, my battery started draining a lot, and I got a little nervous since this is my first ever long range flight. So I'm gonna fly back at normal speeds, and hopefully I make it back, and we'll see if I'm able to get it back. I raised my altitude a little bit. I went up to 96 meters high just to clear all the obstacles on the way, but yeah. So if this works, if my plane comes back and I land it nice, then what I'll do is on the next flight, I will be upgrading the battery. And I'm gonna talk about I've had a couple of ideas that I'm thinking about. And so my first upgrade is gonna be just the battery. So I'm gonna switch this battery to two lithium ion batteries that are, I think, 3,500 milliamp hours per battery, and I'll see how long that would give me. And then from there, I'm really trying to push this as far as I can. So from there are two other upgrades I'm gonna do. First one, I'm gonna try and let me just fix the direction here. So my first upgrade is just gonna be the battery. My second upgrade, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick some solar panels on it and see what kind of range it extends it to. I know it's not gonna be like a full-on very long range, but it's gonna help. And once that upgrade is done, what I'm thinking about doing is buying a new fuselage and sticking it next to this one and then adding an extra motor, and then from there just filling that extra fuselage with batteries. Not batteries, I'm gonna make it weigh exactly the same as my main fuselage that contains the chuck. So that'll probably be a total of 3 batteries on the new fuselage, and then 2 batteries on the main one, plus solar, and then we'll see how long that takes us. And we'll see. I'm trying to break the record here in distance, so hopefully that works. And yeah, so I'm not gonna talk anymore. I'll let you guys just enjoy the view, and we'll get back. Seems like I lost connection. Holy crap, did I lose connection? Oh boy. I mean, all my numbers, my video feed for some reason is gone, but everything else is working, which is no bueno. Holy crap. If this thing doesn't correct itself soon, what I'm gonna have to do is just switch it back to Wi-Fi once we're within range. Okay, so now and this is gonna be nuts. I don't know how I'm gonna bring it back with no video. Golly, it's crazy. So now this thing is saying that I'm 800 meters away. So once we get close to 500, I'm gonna switch it back to shit. I didn't hit the home button yet, to the return to home, but I'll probably do that once it gets close. I think that's my best bet to return this thing. I am not sure what is causing this, and I'm still at 49% battery, so it's insane. I went 4 miles on 40%, and I came back with what, less than 20%. So the plane is almost here. Let's go see if I can see it. I'm gonna hit the return to home now. So it's saying that it's coming back. I've hit the return to home, and I can't see. It is saying that I am 600 meters away. I am 400 meters away, and I'm gonna oh, there it is. I see it. So it's back. I'm gonna try and land it in front of us, but not right now. I'm gonna make one more turn. Alrighty, go up. It's a bit laggy, and it seems like it's windy. I'm gonna have a hard time landing this baby. Not really, but can I go a bit far? Yeah, the connection is laggy. It's shit. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm switching it back to Wi-Fi right now, and it's the same operation. You just, why is it climbing up? Connect. Stop climbing. Holy crap. It's just loitering right now on top of me, which is okay until we figure something out. The sun is like right there. Okay. So I'm connected to Wi-Fi now. I got the connection back, and I'm sorry guys if the sound sucks. I'll have a good mic next time, but now what I'm gonna do is just try and land it. Hope you guys are able to see my landing skills. Shutting battery. Nice. Did a great job at landing it. It's right there. Thank God it came back. So that is it for today, guys.